The Silk Expo is back in town and the silk fans are rushing to this expo. With 37 stalls open to the people, the citizens of the Garden City are indeed enjoying their time shopping. Each store is unique in its own way and is depicting different styles from the different states of the country. The diversity in designs are evident the moment one steps in. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh are famous for its silk productions. However, there is a reason for these shoppers to come rushing to the Silk Expo.
These are all the products what we are selling in that product division carries silk mark tags. There is a guarantee for purity. Customers are coming to purchase a diverse product like mulberry, tussar, eri and muga product. These are all the four main varieties of silk which commercially produced in India. And this is the platform where the weavers, cooperative societies, manufacturers, all they are coming from all over India like Kashmir, Bhagalpur, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Assam, even from south like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, all the places they are coming. You can find lot of varieties like tussar sarees, tussar printed stoles, eri sarees, eri stoles, and you can find varieties like kanta work sarees from West Bengal. Like that, all varieties you will find under one single roof, and customers also getting at a competitive rate, and they will be getting satisfied.
Not just the ready-made sarees, the exhibition also exhibits how the silk is made right from an egg to its spinning.
After hatching, you have worms are shifting to this box. You have to tender leaf, you have to feed, only tender leaf. After that, after first mold, you have to shift it to second mold. 3 to 4 days you have to take time here. After that, 3 days time you have to take in second mold. After that, this is for third mold. Third mold, 3 to 4 days. After that, 4 to 5 days, this is fourth mode. After fourth mode, fifth stage around 7 to 8 days. After, go to spinning.
With the knowledge of where the fabric is coming from, the customers keep coming back with the silk mark.
The point to come every year. It's got the silk mark tag to it, and I definitely like buying silk, pure silk with the tag, and just going for the normal, the imported ones now. So
coming every year, whenever there is a show, exhibition comes of silk sarees, any other this thing, what is it, handicrafts and all, they are coming. Especially for silk sarees, I am coming every year.
The craze for pure silk is never ending. The exhibitors are pleased with the business they get and they make it a point to protect their weavers as well.
5-6 years I am coming and business last year से इस साल पूरा ज़्यादा अच्छा है मेरे ख्याल में। मेरा खुद का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, बाकुड़ा ये सब वीविंग होता है, फिर डाइंग एंड प्रिंटिंग मेरा खुद का यूनिट है, प्रिंटिंग यूनिट है, उन पर प्रिंटिंग डाइंग होता है। तो प्रॉफिट 20% मिनिमम, 15 to 20%.
I'm participating from past 5 to 6 years. I'm getting a very good business. Today I got around 2 or 3 lakhs.
While women are buying elegant sarees and accessories, there are shirts for men that are also seen in a few stalls. This craze for silk is attracting nearly 1,500 people each day to this expo. No matter how many new materials come up, nothing can be better than silk.